Welcome to the second tutorial of how to donate money to Children Legacy Organization via MoneyGram. In this particular tutorial, I will show you how to actually send money. So you open any browser, you type in moneygram.com, hit the enter button, then you have to enter again the region, the country and the language. Very important that we have created an account before, which you can see in the previous showed this tutorial. Click the submit button, then on the top right you have to go to the settings, click login. You can also do the same with the native apps which you can download from any of the stores. You log in on the dashboard, which you can see when you're logged in. You can send money and you can see the previous transactions. So in our case we click send to someone new button. We choose an amount we want to send, so in my case I did 100 euros. Receiver country, very important, is Cambodia. Then we hit the estimate fees button. After this you can see how many US dollar will be received. Then you can choose the payment option. I take credit card. Very important for the receive method, take cash up pickup. Then scroll down until you see the next button. Then we enter the receiver information, which can be later reused. So in this case, Sovanarit for the first name, last name Sok. Then we click next. Then we choose our payment method, enter the details for it, our address. I won't do this, verify the payment method. Very important, choose the source of funds. So I take salary, but you can take Savory or whatever. Purpose of transaction, I think is good to put donation. And country of citizenship is your country, so in my case it's Austria. Then you click further next and finish the transaction, and you can see that's how easy you can send money